Tunog at tinig, tula at titik,
pulso at pintig,
daloy at himig,
dangal at pag-ibig.
Tunog at tinig ng Pilipinong tugtugin. Nagpapatuloy ang ating pakikinig sa talumpati at musika ni Joey Ayala para sa mga bagong nagtapos sa Kolehiyo ng Musika sa UP. Ayon sa ating tagapagsalita, ang musika ay kabilang at isang epektibong pamamaraan upang kamtan ng mga tao ang pagiging immortal. Balikan natin si Joey.
So akala ko magtatapos ako ng music composition. Yung pala kailangan mag-piano. Hindi ako marunong mag-piano. Kaya sige, musicology na lang. Yung pala ang piano, ethnic din pala. Ethnic din pala ang piano, hindi lang nga dito. So, importante pala ang music na yung authenticity. Ang piano, ethnic eh. Ang gitara, ethnic. Pampatay ito ng hayop noon, nilalagyan mo lang ng pana, ito na eh. Doon siya nanggaling eh, doon siya nanggaling. Di ba sir? Hindi ending alam. May pinanggalingan kasi for survival, lahat ng mga musical instruments natin all came from the urge of people, as your magna cum laude put it so well, to survive. Everybody wants to survive and survive at the highest possible level. So, parents, trust your children. I think they're doing the right thing. They know that they're doing this to survive. It might not necessarily be a monetary survival. Baka hihingi pa sila sa inyo. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. There are four major areas of immortality. We all want to be immortal as individuals, and therefore, we pass on our knowledge to others. Teachers, you become immortal by passing on knowledge. Become immortal through our children. We become immortal from our works. We all want to become immortal through sex. That's why we procreate. We pass on our genes physically. We all want to become immortal through groups, through our barkada, through our orchestra, through our bands, through our corporations, through our companies, and ultimately, through our country. Immortality din natin yan. Meron tayong na-contribute sa ating bayan, it makes us immortal. We all want to become immortal as expressed through the human race. Kaya meron tayong tinatawag na universal brotherhood or sisterhood. We want to do things that will benefit not just the Philippines, but human beings in general. Ang music talaga tumutuhog sa lahat na yan. You get to express yourself as an individual. And if you have families or you teach children, you get to express themselves. You can help them express themselves through music. Tapos pag meron kang attach sa Filipino identity or Filipino culture, you get to express the Filipino-ness of us. And underlying that all, yung universal humanity natin. When we teach music, when we play music, ano ginagawa natin yan? Ginagawa natin mas tao ang tao.
Kung global warming ang hinaharap natin sa panahong ito, ang musika ayon kay Joey ay nakakatulong sa pagpapalamig ng mundo. Aniya, music is sustainable human development. Paalaalan niya sa mga bagong musiko, maraming oportunidad para sa kanila ngayon sa mundo at lahat ng kailangan nila ay nariyan lamang.
If you help people learn how to appreciate music, play music, enjoy music, compose music, you're actually helping the planet cool down. Because ano ang resources na ginagamit sa music? Konti lang masyado. This is probably the most valuable use of wood musical instruments. You have one instrument, it can last you a lifetime. and you have infinite enjoyment. So minimal natural resources, maximum sustainable human development. Yan po, music is sustainable human development. It links directly into global concern, into climate change. It is global cooling. Don't forget that. Ang isang interesting sa globe ngayon is the opportunities for musicians. Napakarami. Noon, siguro pag nag-aral ka ng piano, and maybe your mom will attest to this, nag-aral ka ng ilang years na piano. Ilang years ba ang piano major? 5. Tapos ang hirap, di ba? Grabe, di ba? Tapos ang gastos ng recital. Tapos ang napakaraming dumaan yan end up teaching up to grade 1 or grade 2 for the rest of their lives. Di ba? Sasakay ng, I know someone like that, sasakay pa ng jeep, sasakay ng bus, kulang na lang, bitbitin niya yung piano niya, tali niya sa likod ng jeep. Tapos, ang galing-galing mo tumugtog, ay tuturo mo hanggang doon. Pero ngayon, may cellphone, may YouTube. In fact, right now, you can post your recital piece on YouTube, baka bigla kang kunin ng Journey or something like that. O American Idol, di ba? Napaka-bukas ng mundo. There are so many opportunities for musicians and so-called content providers. Nowadays, the doors are all open. Everything you need, nandiyan lang siya lahat. Nandiyan lang lahat. Importante lang, alam mo yung gusto mo. Kasi kung hindi mo alam, para kang papasok ng malaking grocery store, hindi mo alam yung bibilihin mo. Baka anong mabili mo, medyas, o hindi mo naman kailangan, di ba? Pero pag meron kang focus, ayos yan. Lahat ng kailangan mo ay narito, mula talampakan hanggang sa ulo, mula kaluban hanggang sa labas. Lahat ng kailangan ko ay narito. Ako'y dumating, ako'y narito. Darating ang araw na ako ay lalayo, mula simula hanggang sa wakas. Lahat ng kailangan ko ay narito. Kailangan lang aminin, hanapin, kilalanin, yakapin at ibigin, igalang at gamitin. Lahat ng kailangan ko ay narito. Ang lahat ng kailangan ko ay